Hey folks, this is Brett with Grafted Branch here. We're getting ready to buck up the rest of this ash tree. This is the family's cutting it up. I missed out yesterday getting the tree with being involved with getting the tree cut down. I had to go to work, and I'm actually getting ready to go to work here in another couple hours, so we're going to do some quick bucking, and they asked me to bring over the big saw, so we'll get some bucking done. I'm just going to put this on time lapse and just do a short little video doing some bucking.
I'll give them all to you.
No, I wasn't getting on to you.
So that's the stump, folks. It's almost 4 feet, probably 3.5 feet across. Right there where we cut
I
it.
wonder how many rings.
So
Look how tight they are.
there's a pile out there.
I read a deal on that.
But anyway, this is what we've been working on this morning.
The hybrid trees.
Just a
you
short
notice
little
the rings
video.
are real far apart and don't have any string compared to stuff like this that lasts forever.
Well, I don't know how many years old this is, but a lot.
I haven't swung them all for a while.
We noticed.
That's what I sent a text to Tanya here a while back.
That's why we have log splitters.
They was getting down.
They cut plumb off the bottom. Well, they have to,
I missed.
well,
I told you I missed.
That didn't line up.
I mean, I only got a 28-inch bar. You can't expect perfection.
I'm not mad at you.
Man, that's pretty inside. Man, look at that.
That'd have made some nice wood, wouldn't
That
it?
would have
Oh.
made a beautiful table.
I know, but I wasn't allowed to get that, so.
Yeah, man.
Well, that's what I kept telling him. I said, it'd be a beautiful table in the middle of that.
Big knot
Oh,
on
it's got a
it.
knot on it? Yeah, okay.
I was thinking about an 8-foot
What are you trying to do?
Just get it
I'm
out
just trying to get this out of the way. But
Oh. Some pretty stuff. Going to firewood.
that'll be easy.
Yeah, that
What's been Mason Creek? You should have taken this, Brett.
Well, that was never an option. With your dad and Dennis involved, that was not an option.
You could have took it as far as I was concerned.
Yeah, whatever.
I'm not kidding. I'd rather have edge.
Well, you can give me this limb.
Jim, give him that limb. There you go. That-
Yeah.
That's your payment right there, Brett.
And the 5-gallon bucket.
And a
will save
5-gallon bucket of sawdust.
Bucket of sawdust.
Yeah,
That way we ain't got to split it.
yeah. No, that's fine. Now, I mean, I'll still have some. I mean, I don't need to here. You know, you can cut it right here and take that. I just take that, whatever, 6, 8 feet there.
That'd make a heck of a table.
Yeah,
Pretty one too.
yeah. And it's going to take a heck of a saw to cut it.
'Cause it's solid. It's not.
Oh, I know.
There ain't no rot in it. I figured it'd be rotten in the middle.
Yeah. You know, people that aren't used to being around cameras tend to fire up chainsaws when you're talking. So anyway, they just told me I could have that one limb off of there. I know limbs will tend to move a lot, you know, when you plank them, but it's worth a shot. That wood is beautiful. I hate to just see it all go to firewood. So we'll try to recover that here this weekend. So of course it's supposed to snow 8 inches on Saturday, so we'll see what happens. I just realizing how dirty my camera was. Super dirty there, sorry. Sawdust flying everywhere out here. Anyway, this is all I'm doing for today. Saw's a little tired, I'm a little tired, and I still gotta clean up and go to work. So we'll when we come over to get that, finish that up, when I come back to do my part to finish that up, I'll get that recorded too. So we'll see you in a little bit. Bye. This is, I'm gonna show you the base of this limb. That is the base, and it's this part here is probably 3.5, and then there's a crotch up here where it comes out to 4.5, and this limb is 10 foot long that they've left me. So I'm gonna have to trim it up. I'm gonna have to take part of that 4.5 off just so I can get it in my trailer, because my trailer's 4 feet wide, my propane tank trailer. So it'll be a little bit of a chore. I initially planned on getting it this morning, but as you can see, the rest of the area hasn't been cleaned up, and I just don't really feel like fighting it, because I gotta go to work this afternoon. So we'll get it next week or the week after, once they get all their stuff cleaned up. But yeah, that's what the plan is. So this is a future milling log. Gonna probably, I'm suspecting I'm gonna cut this about 5 feet and have 5 feet that's almost 4 foot wide, and then 5 feet that's probably every bit of 2 feet wide, and you get some really nice planks out of that. So this is going to be, I mean, it'll be not quite square, but that'll be one heck of a table, don't you think? Some planks out of that, you got to be able to get maybe 5 nice tables out of that. So it's going to be good. Gonna have to buy a bigger saw in order to make it happen though. So that's going to be sitting on the ground for a while before I get it cut. So anyway, thanks for watching. Glad you all tuned in, and please hit that like button, and we'll see you next time. God bless.